Hey, so we've got this problem and we want to solve this expression. We're given that f of x is equal to x minus 10 and g of x is equal to 8x. All right. And we want to solve where f of x squared and g of x squared are equal. All right. So we have to square both of these, x minus 10 squared, and we're looking for where that's equal to 8x squared. All right. So for this first one, we're going to have to FOIL it out. For the second one, since we're multiplying stuff, we can just distribute the squared to both terms, to both the 8 and the x. All right. This first one, we have x minus 10 times x minus 10. This second one, we have 8 squared times x squared, which gives us this first term. We have x times x is x squared. X times 10 is, or x times negative 10 is minus 10x. Minus 10 times x is minus 10x. And then minus 10 times minus 10 is plus 100 is equal to 8 squared is 64 times x squared. Oh, I'm sorry, my cat is playing with the screen, so it's moving around. Alrighty. So I'm going to move everything to the right-hand side. Oop, oop. I'm going to move everything to the right-hand side because I want my x squared term to be positive. And that's going to give me, I'm going to subtract the x squared, add 10x, subtract 100 to both sides. And that's going to give me 64x squared minus x squared plus 10x minus 100 equals 0. All right. So kind of simplifying this and combining like terms means I'm going to get 0 is equal to 63x squared plus 20x minus 100. All right. Then from here, I can use the quadratic formula. Recall, I'm going to do it in glitter so that we can see what the quadratic formula is. The quadratic formula is x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. All right. All right. Now plugging this in, this first term is my a, this 20 is my b, and this negative 100 is my c. So I get, plugging this in, I'm going to get x is equal to negative 20 plus or minus the square root of 20 squared minus 4 times a is 63 times c is negative 100 over 2 times a, which is 2 times 63. And then after this, it's a matter of simplifying this and plugging it into the calculator. And then that would be my solutions for this. I would have two solutions, a positive solution and a negative solution, it looks like.